안녕하세요. 오빠입니다. Hello everyone, this is 오빠. In this video, I will let you know how to say educational institutions in Korean with brief explanations. First, 어린이집, 어린이집, 어린이집. 어린이집 is nursery school. 어린이집 is a place where very young children are cared for during the day while their parents are at work. It focuses on early childhood care. The next, 유치원, 유치원, 유치원. 유치원 is kindergarten. 유치원 is an educational institution for children typically aged 4 to 6, preparing them for primary school. It provides early childhood education and socialization. 초등학교, 초등학교, 초등학교. 초등학교 is elementary school. 초등학교 is the first stage of formal education for children usually aged 7 to 12. It focuses on basic subjects such as reading, writing, math, and social studies. 중학교, 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 middle school. 중학교 is the next stage of education for students aged 13 to 15. It bridges the gap between elementary school and high school, offering more specialized subjects. 고등학교, 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 high school. 고등학교 is an educational institution for students aged 16 to 18. It provides more advanced and specialized education, preparing students for higher education or vocational training. 대학교, 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 university. 대학교 is a higher education institution offering undergrad degrees in various fields of study. 대학원, 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 graduate school. 대학원 is an educational institution that offers advanced academic degrees beyond the bachelor's degree. It focuses on specialized higher level education and research. Additionally, 학원, 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 private educational institution. 학원 is an institution providing supplementary education outside of regular school hours. 학원 can offer various types of classes, including academic subjects, languages, music, art, and sports. In this video, we have covered how to say educational institutions in Korean with brief explanations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again with a new video lesson. So stay tuned. Thank you. 감사합니다.